basic automotive tips for beginners. ABS. Welcome to my channel. How does car electrical system work? The electrical system consists of the battery, starter, and the alternator. The battery provides power to the starter. The alternator gives the battery the energy it needs. How to remove mirror and lubricate mirror noise. Hi, this is ABS Chong TV channel. Welcome to my channel, kaibigan. Click button and subscribe to my channel and click the bell, notification bell sa update ka sa aking mga videos upload. See how to remove mirror and lubricate. This is the mirror, the right side mirror. Now we will check up and down. This is a noise pump. So we are going to open this in a simple way. We need to use a screwdriver to remove the mirror inside. Take it. Yeah, like it. I'm going to show you how to remove the mirror in a safety, in a simple way. Try to get this out a little mirror upside, yes, and put the screwdriver inside and level it up so they will already remove, and you can put WD-40 grease inside the mirror so the noise will come out after fixing. That's it, very simple. Just follow my instructions and hope you will learn a simple way. Thank you very much. This is the mirror. I'm gonna show you again and how to remove the mirror in a simple way. Just wait at push the mirror in the opposite side and use the flat screwdriver to little bend up. Yeah, very easy. And now you know how to remove. You can put inside the WD-40 to maximize the noise when operating the mirror. Like that. You heard and lead reaction also will improve the performance. That's it, very easy. Remove and fix and apply the WD-40 to remove the noise. And the next video we are going to explain to you the overhauling of the fuel pump motor. Thank you very much, and like and subscribe to my channel.